Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to request a Steam refund for a gift, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a help option there. Click on help and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam support. This is the gateway to accessing all support features within Steam, including refund requests. Once you're in the Steam support section, you'll see a list of your games. Click on the specific game you want to request a refund for. This will open up a dedicated support page for that particular title, giving you access to various troubleshooting and request options specific to that game. Next, you'll see several issue categories to choose from. Click on Gameplay or Technical Issue. This category covers a range of problems and serves as the pathway to accessing refund options, even though you might not be experiencing a technical problem specifically. After that, another set of options will appear. Click on I am having another problem. This option allows you to move beyond the standard troubleshooting suggestions and access more specific support features, including the refund request system. Now you'll see the refund option become available. Click on I would like to request a refund. This will take you to the actual refund request form where you can submit your request and explain your reasons for wanting a refund. Here's an important note to keep in mind before you proceed. Refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. This is Steam's standard refund policy, so make sure your purchase falls within this time frame. If your game was gifted to you more than 2 weeks ago, your refund request may not be approved. It's always best to request refunds as soon as possible if you're not satisfied with the game. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your refund request for a gifted game on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.